Some legends aren't just told, they're worn. They resonate with a power that transcends time, a mythic resonance that captivates the soul. We're talking about the unparalleled Rolex Submariner Hulk. More than just a timepiece, it's an icon, a statement, a legacy forged in steel and emerald green. The Rolex Submariner Hulk, reference 116610LV, stands as a testament to audacious design and engineering. Its distinctive green dial watch and ceramic bezel are instantly recognizable, a bold departure that redefined luxury dive watches. Owning this masterpiece isn't merely acquiring a watch. It's embracing a lifestyle of distinction and achievement. Imagine the joy of strapping on this legendary timepiece each morning. The weight, the feel, the undeniable presence. It's a reward for your hard work, a symbol of your journey, and a constant reminder of your aspirations. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Rolex Submariner Hulk is also a shrewd luxury watch investment. Its limited production run and immense popularity have cemented its status as a highly sought-after collector's item. This isn't just about telling time. It's about owning a piece of horological history that appreciates in value. The joy of ownership extends to the exclusivity it brings. Joining an elite circle of enthusiasts who appreciate true craftsmanship. From its robust oyster case to its precise automatic movement, every detail speaks of unparalleled quality. The Rolex Submariner Hulk is more than an accessory. It's a companion for life's greatest adventures. Embrace the legend. Discover the rewards. Experience the joy. The Rolex Submariner Hulk awaits.